Damn. They look good. So, Tesla Model 3 that we just recently wrapped a few months ago. It's coming in for some fun major work. Let me just do some camera adjustments real quick. And there we go. I think that's good. Alright, let's go outside and say hi. Hey, yo, Swizz.
Yo, what up? What up?
There he is. How's the drive?
Before and after.
I was gonna just document the whole process, man.
Oh,
So,
man, that's dope.
how's the drive? Pretty
It
smooth.
was cool, man.
Yeah.
Had a stop one time because I had it full this time. I probably didn't even have to stop. I could have made it here with like 25%.
Oh shoot.
So that's.
Did you happen to bring your charger?
I brought the other charger.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, I remember last time when you did my rap. So
Yeah, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna start requiring that from now on for Teslas for sure.
I tell you what I forgot though. Most importantly, the key.
Oh, no way. No, you're playing.
So I got I'm just gonna give you my ring, the Tesla ring.
Okay.
And I put it on a little chain that's in the cup holder.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna overnight the key to you.
Okay.
So the key will get
I mean, it's fine if we have the ring. Or do you want your ring back?
Nah, it's cool.
We'll just use the ring. It's fine.
Yeah, it's already on the way.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Okay.
I called home. I was like, hey, send that shit fast.
For sure. So So we're gonna be documenting the whole process. This is gonna be our first Widebody here at Tint My Ride, and this is potentially gonna go to SEMA, right?
It is, so, for sure.
For sure going to SEMA. So there's you and then Eric.
Yep.
So we have 2 cars there, so it's gonna be pretty cool.
Exactly.
What Widebody are you doing again?
The CMST.
And then it's gonna
carbon.
Yeah, fender flares in the front and the rear.
Rear and the front, yeah.
Super excited. So yeah, I was looking at some videos. I've seen a lot of pictures. They're just like slapped on.
Yeah.
And then they say just 3M tape holds it, but I mean we could do 3M tape, but I think what we're gonna have to do is probably take away from this, take the wrap off. So there's gonna be like the exposed black right here.
Yeah.
But if you don't want that, we can always just leave it. But I think it'll be best too. So the 3M tape will just bond to the paint instead.
Oh yeah.
And then if you ever plan on wrapping it again, it's a lot easier.
I saw one where they did they grinded the paint and they put epoxy or like
they do a adhesion promoter.
There you go.
The adhesion promoter will bond to the paint and then to the 3M.
Okay.
And then that'll be on one way. So there's no need for like silicone or like that Gorilla Glue stuff, because if we ever go for a rewrap, you don't want to be dealing with trying to take that off.
It ain't coming off.
Cause I was thinking, I was like, I don't want to. Nah, not next time. But yeah, it should be straightforward.
Yeah.
So the other parts are on the way.
Yeah, they should be here today.
Sweet. Okay.
They sent them out, so they said by 7 p.m. I think it's gonna be UPS, but hopefully, actually, let me check now.
Super sick.
That way you don't gotta leave the shop open.
Yeah. So Chris went with Tech Wrap Madria Red, and this thing's pretty crazy. So it has like 5 different tones in it.
Yeah.
From red, gold.
This one is the green that's in it.
There's green. You see green?
Yeah.
When do you see green?
Wet.
When it's wet?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to take a look at that.
Yeah, you'll see it in the bottom of the water droplets.
That's crazy. Yeah, cause I see like when it's dark, it turns black.
Oh, yeah.
Or like a blurplish.
It's black, yeah, blur black, almost black.
So
remember, that's what we was going for with the carbon, to try to keep it so it doesn't stand out like crazy contrast like the red I had.
heck yeah. And how long have you been wrapped for?
This car, you wrapped this last year, huh?
Gosh, has it been a year already?
I don't know if it's even been a whole year.
Ain't no way. I think like maybe 6 months.
6 months?
6, 7 maybe. Cause I'm in pretty long.
Yeah.
But yeah, would you recommend vinyl wraps to anybody?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
If you like, remember my car was black? There's no way.
No.
No, there's no way. I mean, you can. It's manageable, but if you're washing your car 6 times a month, you know what I mean, 7 times a month, you can keep the dust off. But in California, with the wrap, it's definitely, it protects everything underneath if you ever want to go back to a different color.
True.
And nobody has this color. When I walk out to the parking lot, even with stock wheels on it, I know this is my car. You know what I mean?
You have to go search for it in the parking lot.
I don't have to go digging around. Oh yeah, there it is. Pressing the alarm.
Easy.
But maintenance of it is super easy. I mean, really, it's just like a paint protection film. It's thinner, obviously, but I mean, you just wash and go. No need for wax or anything. And you got ceramic coated here on the when you get it wrapped, which gives it even more shine and depth to the color. But for the most part,
too.
yeah, the protection. But for the most part, it's throw it on and keep going.
Just no car washes.
Exactly.
None of those things that spin around. They're gonna beat up your wrap.
None of that.
Like, why is my wrap degrading?
All the swirl marks and scratches, like instantly from that car wash, it ain't worth it.
Dang. And so, once the wide body's on, what wheels are you gonna get next?
Or
is that gonna be on?
I want to go with Infinite Works.
Okay.
Some 3-piece wheels, just so I can get the fitment to be perfect.
Deep dish, and all.
Yeah, go with the dish.
Nice.
I still like the concave look of the back that I have here. But then recently Tesla just came out with wheels. I believe they're called signature wheels. They look exactly like this, but they're black.
Oh, no way.
So I'm like, yes, these definitely got to go now.
Yeah. Because they're gonna be like, oh, you're rocking the standards still?
Like, yeah, you got them ceramic coated or what you call it, powder coated.
Nah. But nah, dude, heck yeah, I'm super excited. So, and plus it's going to SEMA.
Yeah,
that's like, dude,
that's gonna be a crazy.
Like, first SEMA build. I didn't even know this was gonna happen.
Me neither.
It was like out of the blue. So
it started coming to works, and I was just like, "Are y'all for real?" All right.
Yeah. Well, cool. So yeah, we'll just go over everything and get it started. So.
That's that piece right there.
Install that right there, boy. Oh shit, it's gonna take forever to open.
What is that?
Oh, that's good. So it is just one big piece for the actual fender, and then there's gonna be the 2 little pieces for the bumper. Got the shank, son.
It's tapping it.
Got the shank it. It is Fresno.
It is Fresno.
Eat. Oh.
Dang, look at that.
Oh, it's so much wider. The stock ones are like to here, maybe.
What you think?
About to be killing them, son. This is the other piece that will connect. Alright, so starting the process of the wide body build. Let's go. Super fun, super excited. Walking the car right now. You know what's funny? Chris said he was seeing green and he was watching it, and I actually